Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Napolitano. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Word document for your Works Cited page, as well as how to cite websites using NoodleTools for your Works Cited page. So here I am in the online version of Microsoft Word. This is a brand new document, so of course the first thing I'm going to do is give it a name, and I'm going to name it Annotated Works Cited. Personally, I prefer working in the desktop version of Microsoft Word, so I'm going to click Edit in Word. All right, so here I have my new document. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the font. Now, Works Cited pages should always be in Times New Roman 12-point font. Additionally, Works Cited pages should always be double spaced. So I'm going to change the line spacing to double, and then where it says after, currently it says 8, I'm going to lower that to 0, and I'm good to go. So the title of this document should be Annotated Works Cited. So I just centered it. If I press enter, it's still centered. I'm going to put the margin back on the left. All right, so what I'm going to do now is start my Works Cited page. So in order to access NoodleTools, I have linked NoodleTools to the North Library website. On the side here, as you know, there are a variety of links. Today we're going to use the one called Citing Your Research. So if I click on that, that will take me to this page that has a variety of information about citations. I've also included some videos, some information about plagiarism, as well as a sample Works Cited page. But if I click this link up here, this will take me to NoodleTools. Now, this page directs me to select a style. So I'm going to use MLA. That's what you're going to use as well. And then it tells me to choose what I want to cite. So it says cite, and then it gives me this drop-down menu. So if I drop down, today I'm going to demonstrate how to cite a website. So I'm going to scroll down, click on website, and then click create citation. All right, so now my goal is to fill in all of this information. When I'm done, I'll click save and it will provide me with a citation. So I'm going to cite this article from Kids Health. Okay, so now that my screen is split, I'm going to do a couple of things. Firstly, at the top here, it wants me to put the URL for the website. So I'll go over here, I'll highlight it, right-click copy, and paste. Date of publication. Now, ideally, you will already have all of this information written down in your note-taking packet. So you can just refer to the note-taking packet in order to fill in this information. Now, for the date of publication, I know from scrolling to the bottom of the screen that the only date listed are the years next to the copyright symbol. So I'll use the most recent year, which is 2018. I don't have a month or a day, and that's okay, but I will type in 2018. Most recent date of access. What that means is the most recent day I looked at the website. So that's actually today, and they give you a little link to click today, and it puts in today's date. So here, you have to type in the web page information. First, they want the contributors. The contributors usually means the author or the editor, somebody who helped to write this page. So if I go to role, it gives me 3 options, author, editor, translator. I'm going to choose author. Then I need to put in the person's name. So if I scroll back to the top, the author of my page is Larissa Hirsch. So I'm going to put Larissa in the first name, Hirsch in the last name. Now I need the web page or document / article title. The title of my article is Cerebral Palsy. I will type that here. I don't need to fill this in, English translation of the document / article title. That doesn't apply to my article. So now I need to fill in the name of the website, which is Kids Health, which you can see up here. Now I know from my note-taking packet that the publisher of this site is the Nemers Foundation. And then contributors to the site as a whole, I really don't need to put that in. I already put in my author, and I already put in my publisher, so I don't need to put in anything else. Edition, version, and revision, I also don't need to put in. So I think that I am good to go. So I'll click Save, and here is my citation. So what I'm going to do now is highlight this, and then copy. And then I'm going to paste it into my document. I need to fix it a little bit. And there it is. Now, the second line of the Works Cited page should be indented. So what I'm going to do is highlight the citation. I'm going to go to paragraph, this little arrow here. Go to paragraph. Where it says special, I'm going to drop down here and change it to hanging. Click OK. And now the second line is indented. And that is it. If you have any questions, please see me in the library. Thanks, everybody.